friends, it's early morning, July 4th. I'm running a little bit behind, but headed out for a 10 to 12 hour ride with buddies today. Lots of street, some trails, back roads, and I just want to show you what I typically wear on something like this. There's going to be a lot of road miles on the back roads, and then the trails I need to be both protected and comfortable, so it's a combination of dirt and street and adventure gear. So I've got my Forma boots, which are really comfortable, not a great deal of protection, but they'll be all-day comfort in this 90-degree heat. Shin knee pads, cotton t-shirt. Wish I had something wicking, but I don't. Fox Dual Sport pants. First gear ventilated street jacket. Not crazy about the street jacket, but it's nice and cool, so it'll be great for today. Bell Adventure MX-9 Adventure helmet. Some just generic kind of Joe Rocket street and dirt. Summer gloves, bandana, and my Camelback. So that's the whole deal for today. Hopefully that'll keep me comfortable and protected. I like to wear the lighter gear up top when I can. The helmet, jacket, gloves, those are all purposely light colored to keep it cooler. Time to fill the Camelback and catch back up because, as I mentioned, I'm running behind. Alrighty, we are out here, Pike State Forest. Tony is the newest rider on our group on his DRZ400, and he's going to lead us around these easy-ish trails, but it's going to be super dusty. So this is real family trail stuff. Boy, it is dusty. Well, I'll know how this new Kenda front tire does in the dust. It's the K270. And I rode on it to get out here. And on normal street riding, 60 miles an hour, it's fine. On the interstate with the rain grooves, 70 miles an hour. I'll emphasize rain grooves. Holy terror. It was all over the place. Definitely the most scary tire I've ever ridden in that situation. But in everything else, it does just great. So, what are you gonna do? Anyway, I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna stick with it for a while. Bottom line is, neither this bike nor this tire were made to be doing those interstates at 70 miles an hour. As a matter of fact, I was really surprised to find on the Kenda site that doesn't even recommend the K270 for pavement. You hear this tire referred to as 50-50 all the time, or at least I did, but I guess that's not necessarily what Kenda says.
Uh-oh. Okay. Hey, how's it going? I love that XR, man.
Thanks.
That's oh, it's a 650L.
Yeah.
You just got it stripped down though, right?
Yeah, pretty much. Of course, I dumped it already.
Well, that's all part of it, huh?
It's too big of a bike for tight trails.
Yeah.
And I'm not great on it.
Yeah.
So.
I ride this little 225 so I don't get in over my head, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back down and check for Tony.
Yeah.
I had no idea that was like a... Woo! 100 yards! 100 yards! Let's check out the style. Let's check out the form. Look at him, just motor. Dude, he's just idling up that thing. Look at that. Oh, I need more power. I want to be able to do that. Oh, I'm done now. Oh,
Thanks for coming to check.
yeah.
I was okay. I didn't tip the bike or anything like that. No problem.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please do give it a like, and I hope you'll consider subscribing for future riding and wrenching videos. Ride safe.